welcome to the Boldero's on Tour. I'm Michael, and behind the camera we've got Carol, who's doing all the technical bits today.
Hi.
What we're going to talk about today are awning pegs. And I don't know about you, I wonder if your awning pegs have ever ended up like that. We stop on caravan and motorhome club sites which have hard standing, and sometimes, especially local sites to us, these are a devil to get in. And when you come to pull them out, the plastic generally breaks, so you're stuck with the peg in the ground. The other week we were at Waleswood, oops, dropped that one, and we came across this product called Ultipeg. An Ultipeg is a stainless steel peg with a moulded T-piece on the top, very strong. Also with the Ultipeg you get this special tool, and what happens is, if I come a little bit closer I can show you, this tool inserts the peg into it and twists, and that's the peg locked into the tool. Now I'm going to show you what we do with this tool. Now we've got a choice of hammers here. That's Carol's little dainty hammer, and that's my Big Bertha. Now the reason I have a Big Bertha is the first time I went caravanning I went with a rubber mallet on a hard standing pitch. No way was it going to work. So went to Pateley Bridge to the first hardware shop we came across, and I bought this one. So all you do with Ultipeg is you put it on the hard standing like so, and just give it a whack, and in it goes. Turn it and your peg's in the ground. To get the peg out again, all you have to do is reinsert the specialist tool into it, twist it and lift, and that's all there is to it. This to me is a game changer that takes the stress out of putting up an awning, because especially if you've got limited mobility and you don't like bending down on your hands and knees, this is a great way of doing it. So I'll demonstrate it once more. Peg into the tool, twist into the heart standing, give it a whack. There she goes, peg's in the ground, twist it, leave your peg there, pop your rubber band around it or your ladder, and then to get it out you just put the tool back over the peg, twist it, and out she comes. Absolutely simple. If you want information on this Ultipeg, do a Google search online, it'll come up on there, or you can search it also on Facebook. But that is one really good product and I'm happy to buy it. That's it for now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe. And so from Carol, she wants to say ta-ra, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.